what's up? It's Jenny and welcome to another weekly video on my channel. Time for another anime look, and for this week's video I'm doing a look that's inspired by Boruto when he has a karma take over his body basically. I was not expecting to enjoy Boruto as much as I do now because I was so hooked onto Naruto that I was like, there's no way Boruto is going to be any better than Naruto, but I think Boruto has its own unique twist on it in anime, and the plot is pretty interesting, and I'm excited to see what the future will look like for Boruto, at least in the anime. I don't read the manga. But yeah, sorry for the long intro, we can get right into the video. Alright, got my hair out of the way, and I also had my base on already. Prior to the video, I did my foundation, concealer, contour and highlight, and some powder, and I'll be ready to start doing the karma mark. When I was creating this look, I was debating what I wanted to do with the karma, but I'm basing it off of this picture right here. I think this karma evolution thing is more recent in Boruto, because throughout the series, when the karma is slowly taking over him, the mark kind of changes. But yeah, I'm following it off of this picture, and it also varies in color in some episodes. So sometimes it's black, sometimes it's a darker blue, sometimes it's a lighter blue. I am just going with a blue that I already have, and as per usual, I'm using water activated eyeliner, but if you end up creating this look, you can use whatever is handy for you, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the karma mark. We'll do the eye look later, but I'm gonna start with the vertical line that goes down from here. Like, it starts here and goes down from here. And I'm doing this side of my face in particular because later I'm gonna do the karma mark also on my hand and wrist. And since I am right-handed, it's easier for me to draw on my left hand, so I'm doing it on the left side of my face. So I'm just going to start with a straight line slightly next to the center, because I'm going to put one line here and then one line here and fill it in. I feel like I'm way over-explaining things today. I don't know, something has been off for me lately, but I'm just going to continue on as normal. I don't know. And I'm going to start slightly below because later on I'm going to do the eye look, and I can always go back and fix the blue eyeliner. And I'm going to bring this all the way down to my neck. And I'm just going to fill it in and try to make it as straight of a line as possible. Alright, honestly, the first line took way too long, but we're gonna move on to doing the other lines now. Next, I'm gonna do the horizontal line that starts on the top right here. It's like right here. So I'm just gonna draw a line that kind of goes up to here, that's horizontal. And this line doesn't go straight across here, it actually goes diagonally up, and then there's another small horizontal line on the side. The horizontal line on the side is kind of like right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to have a diagonal line that connects those two. Alright, here's what I have so far. Next, I'm going to do another horizontal line that goes right underneath this, but this time there's nothing connecting to it that goes beyond this side. Alright, that horizontal line is all done, and next there's another vertical line that connects from this one, and it goes straight down all the way down to the neck, but this line is slightly thinner, so keep that in mind. Alright, so this is where I'm going to stop right now with the karma mark, because I want to do my eyeliner look before I continue doing the blue eyeliner of my face. I am going to start with some eye primer. This is the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Alright, next I'm going to take this fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in some black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to swipe this all over my lid as well. And the same on the other side. Alright, I got my black base down for my eyeshadow, and now I'm going to take some red eyeshadow and the smaller eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to blend this in the inner corners into the black. And this eye look is more inspired by Boruto's jacket, because a lot of the Naruto characters have like a color scheme as their characters, and Boruto is black and red. And next I'm taking this M Cosmetics Dewy eyeshadow in the shade Luna and this small concealer brush, and I'm going to put this on the bottom side of my eye. I'm just going to line it a little bit. And I'm also going to add a little bit in the inner corners as well. Okay, I'm all done with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna quickly do a simple wing eyeliner off camera because it takes me a super long time. Also, I haven't done my brows yet, so I'm just gonna do that off camera, but I'll come back and we'll finish the karma. Alright, so off camera I was able to finish continuing the line that goes up to the eye right here, and I also did my hand off camera as well. Finished my simple wing eyeliner, and we're gonna continue finishing the karma mark. So there's just another horizontal line that goes straight up, so I'm gonna quickly do that one. And lastly, there's a line that curves from the eye and it goes slightly up in a straight line, and this one's a little bit thinner. I'm just gonna connect it to my black wing eyeliner I already have. Alright, all done with the karma mark, but to finish off the makeup look, I'm going to add some finishing touches. I'm going to put on some highlighter, and this is the Freck Beauty Slime Light Hologram Highlighter. And I'm just going to take a little bit and put it in on my cheeks. This is more like a purple highlighter, and it kind of adds to the extraterrestrial theme, because, you know, the karma mark originates from the Otsutsuki in the Naruto realm, and they're like beings outside of Earth. I'm gonna put a little bit on my brow bone and blend it out. A little bit on the tip of my nose, and a little bit on the bridge. And a little bit on my cupid's bow. Alright, for lips, I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm putting on some chapstick And then I'm just taking this lip crayon. It's a shade that's similar to my lips already, so I'm gonna put this in the center of my lips. And then of course some lip gloss. And just another nice addition to the overall look, I'm gonna take the Cosmetics Dewy eyeshadow I had earlier. Any like glittery shiny eyeshadow will do. But I'm gonna put this in the circle on my hand because in one of the Boruto pictures, this circle is like lit up, so I thought it would be fun to add this. Alright, I'm all done with the makeup, but I just have to put on some lashes and put some contacts in, and we'll go see the final look. Alright, so here is the finished makeup look with the hand, of course. I really love how it turned out. It was pretty simple, but doing the karma is so much fun, and yeah, I just had a lot of fun making this look. For the contacts, I have blue in one side for Boruto's blue eyes, but I also have this white contact in here because he has a Jogan. And it is sort of white, so I thought it would be fun to have a white contact on this side. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below, and you can also leave a suggestion for a future video. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more anime content. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I post all of these looks and just keep you updated on what content I'm posting. I also have a Twitch channel where lately I've been streaming Sally Face and Animal Crossing, so if you want to check that out, you can head over to my Twitch channel. All my social links are in the description down below. Yeah, I hope to see you next week. Bye!